It doesn't feel that cold out, but I think it's been snowing all night. Luckily, I live close enough to the grocery store to where I'm just taking a little walk. I haven't learned how to drive in the snow yet. Even though I have a 4-wheel drive, I'll slip and slide, so taking a walk. Thought I would share it with everybody. I wish everybody a fantastic Saturday. Enjoy the beauty. Look at how pretty it is. Once it stops snowing, we'll see the Flatiron Mountains over there full of snow. It had all melted yesterday.